Yep. Only 5 students have joined till now. Where are the others? Not joining.
Is combined class?
No, beta, it is not combined class. Only 5B students are there in that class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, tell me the last question that we did.
So we were doing reasoning and the last question is convert 4 hours, 15 minutes, 56 seconds in seconds. Sir, we have done this question. So the last question was convert 4 hours, 15 minutes, 56 seconds in seconds.
Okay, very good. So this was question number. Which question number was it?
So it's question number 5.
It was question number 5.
Yes, sir, 5.
Question 6. Convert 2564 seconds in hours, minutes, and seconds. Convert 2564 seconds in hours, minutes, and seconds. Can you all do this?
Yes, sir.
Make it instead of 2500, you can make it 5500. 5564 instead of 2564, make it 5564 seconds in hours, minutes, and seconds.
Sixty.
Sir, I don't know how to do this. Sir, I don't know how to do this one.
Sir, I know. Sir, uh, when we convert hours into seconds, so sir, we divide. So sir, we multiply, and when we convert seconds into hours, so sir, we will divide.
Yes. So divide it by 3600 first. You will get the answer in hours. First step is to divide 5564 by 3600 because in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So first you will divide by 3600. 5564, divide this by 3600. So 1, it will go only one time. What is the remainder? 4, 6, 15 minus 6 is 9 and 1. 1964, 1. So this means it is 1 hour 1964 seconds. 1 hour and 1000 plus 1964 seconds. Now 1964 seconds you will convert in minutes. How will you convert this in minutes? By dividing this by 60. Divide 1964 by 60. So it will go 3 times 180. Remainder is 16, 4, and then 2 times 120. Remainder is 44. So this is 1964 seconds. 1964 seconds is equal to 32 hours, sorry, 32 minutes, 32 minutes and 44 seconds. 32 minutes, 44 seconds. Now 1 hour plus 1964 seconds. Now 1964 seconds also we have converted in minutes and seconds. So what is the answer? 5564 seconds is equal to 1 hour and 32 minutes 44 seconds. Have you all understood? Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Shall we do the next one? Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ready.
Very good.
Sir, please wait. Sir, done.
Very good. Okay. Next one. Question number 7. This time I want an answer from you all. Instead of this, you make it 7,849 seconds. Convert 7,849 seconds in hours, minutes, and seconds.
Sir, I had a small query.
Yes.
Sir, from where did 3600 come
Beta, very
in the
good
last
question.
question?
Yes, sir.
One, you all must have seen this in your points. I made you write down that 1 hour has 3600 seconds. Do you know this? You can see in your points that I made you write down in the starting of the topic. When we started the topic, I made you write down some points.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
that,
sir.
you can see that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. That is why we are dividing it by 3600 to convert in hours. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have an query.
Sorry? I'm having?
Sir, I have an query.
Yes.
Sir, if when we are dividing 3600 by the seconds, sir, so we will divide the remainder with 60. So, sir, if the number is less than 60, so, sir, what we will be doing?
Sorry. If the number is less than, sorry, beta, once again you tell me what is what is the question?
Sir, I am saying that the remainder which comes after dividing 3600 with second,
Uh,
sir,
here, this remainder.
yes, sir. If
Uh,
this remainder is less than 60, so sir, what we will be doing?
so if this remainder is less than 60, then you will simply write the answer 1 hour and whatever the second. Suppose the seconds is 40 seconds. Let us assume. If this is less than 40, the answer will be 1 hour 40 seconds. Simple. You don't have to do this then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But it's like this.
Sir, I have done and my answer is 2 hours, 1 minute, 49 seconds.
Okay. 2 hours 1 minute 49 seconds. Let us see.
Sir, this is correct or not?
I will see. Better we will check. Just wait.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have done and sir, my answer is 2 hours, 1 minute, 49 seconds.
2 hours 1 minute and 49 seconds. So I'm
Sir,
doing it
I
for
have
the
done and my answer is 2 hours, 10 minutes, 49 seconds.
Yes, I have given you on the board. You can check your answers. So first we will divide this by 3600. 7849, it will go 2 times. 7200. Okay. The remainder is 946. 649
Yes, sir.
is the remainder. Now after this becomes 2 hours plus 649 seconds. Okay, 2 hours 649 seconds. This is 2 hours 649 seconds. Now this is greater than 60, so we have to do this also. You have to convert this in minutes and seconds. So to convert this in minutes and seconds, you will divide by 60. 649 divide by 60. It will go, first you will take 160, remainder is 4. Then you copy down the next digit 9. Now 49 is after copying this down, this is smaller than 60, so you have to put a 0. Because it is smaller than 60, you have to put a 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this becomes 10 minutes, 649 seconds. 649 seconds is equal to 10 minutes and
10
49
minutes,
seconds.
49 seconds.
What is the final answer? The final answer is
Sir,
7,
2
Sir,
hours,
my
7
answer is
minutes.
correct. Sir,
Sir,
my
mine
answer
too. Sir, I just forgot to
2
do
hours,
the rest of the solution.
10 minutes, 49 seconds. This is the answer.
Sir, my answer also got correct.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good.
Sir, mine too.
You ready for the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is question number 8 or 9. This will be. Now the next one is 8 or 9? 8.
8.
8.
Note down the question. A car started from town A. Question number 8. A car started from town A at 2:20 p.m. At 2:20 p.m. And a car started from town
Sir,
A.
please wait.
A car started from town A at 2:20 p.m.
Sir, written.
and
Sir, please
And-
wait. Sir, can you please tell the timings of town A that he was started?
sorry,
2:20. 2:20 p.m. Okay.
a car started from town A at 2:20 p.m. and reached town B and reached town B in 3 hours 45 minutes and reached town B in 3 hours 45 minutes. And reached town B in 3 hours 45 minutes.
So we will do addition.
In at what time? Full stop. At what time? At what time the car reached town B? At what time the car reached town
The
B?
car reached at. Sorry, sir, I get it wrong, I think. Sir, the car reached at 5:55 p.m.
Try it, all of you.
Sir, the car reached at. Sorry, sir, I got something wrong. So the car reached at 5:65.
But there are no minutes above 60.
Sorry. Beta, what is your answer? Tell me your answer.
So my answer is 5:65.
565. 565. Beta, 565. 65 is. Can we have 65 minutes?
Sorry, sir, I got something wrong.
Your answer is, in a way, it is correct, but you have to add something in it. You have to just make a little change in it.
Sir, I got the answer. Sir, the car reached at. Sir, this is work at my home.
Sir,
Sir, the car.
7:05.
Sir, 6:55. Sir, 6:55 p.m.
Not 6:55. It is 6:05 p.m. Yeah, just see how to do it.
Sir, 7:05.
6:05. So first of all, the car started at 2:20 p.m. The car started at 2:20 p.m. And then it took how much time? 3 hours? 3 hours?
4 hours 45 minutes.
3
Sorry,
hours.
3 hours 45 minutes.
3 hours 45 minutes. This much time it took to reach. So first of all, you add 2 hours and 20 minutes plus 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, 2 hours 20 minutes plus 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, first you add this. So 20 plus 45 is 65 minutes, and 2 hours plus 3 hours is 5 hours. So you get 5 hours 65 minutes, but 65 is greater than 60. So what you will do? You will convert this in hours and minutes by dividing it by 60. Divide this by 60. 65 you divide by 60, you will go one time. Remainder is 5. Okay. So this means 65 minutes का मतलब क्या है? 65 minutes means 1 hour and 5 minutes. 1 hour 5 minutes. So 5 hours and this 65 का मतलब क्या है? 1 hour 5 minutes. So 5 hours plus 1 hour 5 minutes. What is the time now? 6 hours 5 minutes. So 6 hours 5 minutes, how will you write in the form of time? How do you write this? 6:05 p.m. 6:05 p.m. Got it? Have you all understood? First we add this and then you convert 65 minutes in hours and minutes. How do you convert 65 minutes in hours and minutes? By dividing it by 60. So you get 1 hour 5 minutes. 1 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. That means 1 hour 5 minutes. Okay. Now 1 hour 5 in 5 hours you add, instead of 65 minutes you add 5 hours, 1 hour 5 minutes. 5 hours plus 1 hour 5 minutes is equal to 6 hours 5 minutes. So that means 6:05 p.m. 6:05 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. I'm going to give you another one of this type. Okay. I hope you all can do this. Question 9. Again, same starting of the question. A car started from town A. A car started from town A at started from town A at 4:40 p.m. Started from town A at 4:40 p.m. and reached town B and reached town B in and reached town B in 5 hours and reached town B in 5 hours 50 minutes. 5 hours 50 minutes. Okay. At what time the car reached town B? At what time the car reached town B? Yeah, tell me the answer.
Sir, I got the answer.
Very good.
Sir, the answer is 10:30 p.m.
10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Correct answer. Absolutely correct. 10:30 p.m. is the right answer. Very good. Others, what is your answer?
So I have done and my answer is 10 or 30 minutes.
10:30 p.m. So again, you add
Yes,
4
sir.
hours,
10:30
50 minutes,
p.m.
and then 5 hours 50 minutes. You have to add this. When you add it, you get 9 hours, and this is 90 minutes. 9 hours 90 minutes. So now 90 minutes you will convert in. How do you convert 90 minutes in hours and minutes? By dividing it by 60 one time. So the remainder is 30. 30 is the remainder. Now this is 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. So this means you have to add 9 hours and 1 hour 30 minutes. 9 hours plus 1 hour 30 minutes is equals to 10 hours and 30 minutes. That means what is the time? The time will be 10:30 p.m. The car will reach town B at 10:30 p.m.
So
Okay,
my answer was correct.
very good,
So my answer is also correct.
very good. You all have understood.
So
Let's
my
do
answer is also
the
correct.
next one. Let's do the next one. Again, a car started from town A at a car started from town A at car started from town A at 10:45 a.m. Started from town A at 10:45 a.m. and reached town B and reached town B and reached town B in reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes. Reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes. At what time the car reached town B? At what time the car reached town B?
Sir, I got the answer. Sir, the answer is 12:15 p.m.
12:15. 12:15 is not right, beta. Check your answer.
Sir, 1:15 p.m.
1:15 p.m. is the right answer. Very good. One 15 p.m. is the right answer. Others, are you all doing?
Yes, sir. Doing.
Sir, I have done and my answer is
Sir, 12, 1
1:15
a.m.
p.m. 1:15 p.m.
Very good.
Yes, sir, mine also 1:15 p.m.
Very good. Have you all got the answer? 115.
Yes, sir.
Ashwa has got. Ansharya, what is your answer?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
1:15 p.m.
Mufti, Hamza, and Utkarsh.
Sir, I got the answers.
Very good.